Welcome back to this quick tutorial on Windows PC, and in today's video I will show you on how to change your taskbar position in your Windows laptop. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Windows PC like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply right click on your Windows environment, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to personalize. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to Taskbar right here. Make sure you click on Taskbar. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here under Taskbar location on screen. So by default, I have my taskbar to be bottom. We can click on here now and change it to the right. So when you click on change to right, then you have your taskbar right here in the right side, just like what you see right here. You can also decide to change it to click on here and change it to the top, which simply means that your taskbar is going to change to the top, just like what you see right here. So you can position your taskbar in any way. You can come back here and change to right here. So it's back to right. We can simply click on here again and change it back to the bottom, and it will return back to the bottom side of your PC. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to simply change the taskbar position of your PC without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you